My name is Sophie Nixon and my degrees were journalism, media and English literature as my undergrad, and then I went on to study the broadcast journalism postgrad. I now am a digital content producer for BBC Radio Wales, which basically means I do social media, sounds, anything to do with designing for the station. So there is no typical day for me really, but some days I walk in at 9 AM and I get grabbed by the breakfast team who have a guest in, and I've been taken to the roof so that we can film people doing tennis or paddle. Other days I've had to go and film Pudsey around Cardiff or Vox Pops in the rain. And more recently I've been working on the Make a Difference Awards, which means that I've had the privilege of going around Wales and filming local people in their community who are doing amazing things. So no day's really the same, but I have a broad variety of everything that I do. The skills at Cardiff I learned were definitely people skills. It's just something that I really learned throughout my university degree. The amount of people you had to meet and talk to. And then I studied in my postgrad, I got to learn about broadcast communication skills, and I also learned how to edit videos, which is what I do on the daily now. I would recommend a degree at Cardiff University because it is one of the top schools in the country for a reason. You have professors who've been in the industry, who know what it's like. You have a broad range of modules that you can choose from, and everyone who I went to university with is doing something different, whether it is in the BBC or in ITV, or they've gone off to work for social media companies, or they're working at smaller independent newspapers. The range is there and the world is your oyster because people know Cardiff University and what it can do for you.